Now, next topic for revision students, and we all know that the air is surrounding us from all the sides, and this envelope of air is known as the atmosphere. Do remember that air occupies space and it has got weight. We also need to know what is the composition of this air. So, air की composition क्या है? This diagram is very important from exam point of view. You should learn this diagram and practice it. So, air mainly has nitrogen, which is 78%, and then it has got oxygen, which is 21%, and 1% is your carbon dioxide and other gases. Now, we have to remember the different uses of the various components of the air. So, coming to the very important component, that is oxygen. Oxygen is very important for us. किस लिए? सांस लेने के लिए and for combustion or burning. In case you can't remember the word combustion, please remember that it is used for burning. You have also done an experiment in which you burnt a candle, you put a tumbler on it. After some time we saw that the candle got extinguished or it stopped burning. And if we take another candle on which we do not put any cover or any tumbler, we will see that it continues to burn. So this activity or experiment clearly shows that air is very important for burning, or air is very important for combustion. So next gas which is there is the carbon dioxide. We all know that the plants are making their food, and I have told you how to remember it. First say food and first say photosynthesis. The process of making their own food is known as photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is very important, because if plants do not make food with the help of this photosynthesis, we all will not be able to survive. तो हम सबके लिए क्या जरूरी है? Food, and food के लिए क्या जरूरी है? Photosynthesis. And photosynthesis के लिए क्या जरूरी है? Carbon dioxide. So just remember that this carbon dioxide is very important for photosynthesis. It is also a greenhouse gas, जिससे थोड़ी सी जो गर्मी है अर्थ की, that is kept here on the earth itself. So that's why it is known as a greenhouse gas. Then another is, it is also used in the fire extinguishers to put out fires. अगर कहीं पे आग लग गई है तो you generally use the fire extinguishers which have got carbon dioxide in them, and this carbon dioxide cuts off the oxygen supply, जिसके करके कि fire जो है वो बंद हो जाती है. So students, don't you want to know how this composition is maintained? It is very interesting to know that. And how is it maintained? It is generally maintained by the two main processes, that is respiration and photosynthesis. We all know that the animals, when they are respiring, they take in oxygen and they give out carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is taken by the plants to do the process of photosynthesis. During this process of photosynthesis, they are giving out oxygen, and this oxygen is taken by the animals to breathe. It is also used for the process of combustion, and combustion in turn gives up carbon dioxide. So plants को carbon dioxide दो तरीके से मिलती है. They get carbon dioxide in two ways. First is combustion, and then also they get it from the respiration of the animals. And also remember student कि plants भी respire करते हैं. They are taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So plants have got two processes. One process is photosynthesis, which takes place only during the day when there is sunlight, and the process is known as photosynthesis. But there is another process which is known as the respiration, which continues even in the plants during the daytime and the night time. Now students, we all know जो air है हम सबको सांस लेने के लिए भी चाहिए, and air से we are also utilizing it in moving of the windmills. Now remember students that the windmills are working with the help of the wind or the air. Just remember students that windmill helps us to generate the electricity. It is used in the floor mills, and it is also used to draw the water from the tube wells. And we also know, if they ask you what are the different uses of air, then you can write all the uses of the air, which includes these gases. Carbon dioxide के आप uses लिख सकते हो, oxygen के आप uses लिख सकते हो, फिर आप air का ये भी use लिख सकते हो. Birds are flying, aeroplanes are flying, you're also doing kite flying. So all these are with the help of the air. You're filling air in the balloons also. So these are the different uses of air. So students, this completes your syllabus for the annual examination. All the best students. Please read the question paper very carefully. Do not leave any question unattempted and unanswered. All the best students. Take care.